Where are you going with that? You're going to hide it in your house. Piper. You hit it. Let's get it. I'm going to get it because I got an easy way in there. Oh. Oh. Okay. Come here. Look. Okay, ready? Piper.